The waiting game is painful. It really is painful. For over, like I said, over 120 days, probably over 130 now, since I'm involved in government contracting. Now, when you are starting a business or a new business, the waiting game to make revenue is very painful. It leaves you to wonder, is it better to actually start thinking about buying a business that's already established with incoming revenue rather than doing the work and waiting? It's a long process. And for every businesses that have started, this is what I've always found out. We're thinking we're doing it the better way, starting from scratch, but it takes so much money, yet you have to wait so much longer. I mean, thankfully, one of the things that I know I did invest in, and that takes time and years, was to get myself into real estate investing, have at least a property or two just to create rental income. It's really hard. I see where people are. If you notice, there are a lot of us out there that are selling courses. Well, I'm not selling any, at least not yet. I don't see the need to. But there are people who are selling courses, who are making business selling courses and teaching people how to make business selling courses. So if everyone are all buying courses, who are the ones that are really making money from those lucrative business that are not selling courses? Who are who are the people who are making that? And there are people who are out there that are making it. I tell you, in I think it was about it's in COVID. Just while we were on the lockdown, I tried drop shipping. I'll never forget. And while I was there doing it, bored out of my wits, I was getting along well. I bought a course for $400 and I tried it. I tried it and I started setting up the campaigns on Facebook and Instagram, and when I tell you, I was shocked to see that business. I think I sold the first week I sold almost $5,000. That's one lucrative business. So when I hear people doing drop ship, I don't take it. I have proven it. I didn't continue because I was not as tech savvy to continue with the digital marketing. I didn't. That's something I just never understood. I understand it, but the retargeting, and back in those days, it was only 6 years ago. Um, I did not have AI to help me as much because things are moving at a faster pace. Had it been now, oh yeah, I would have still had that business. But my point is, just starting up a business, the process of making revenue takes a little while. You have to have gut, strength, and faith and wait to see, which is what I am doing with government contracting because I am so much in love. I am really in love with it. Really, really in love with it. Um, because I've worked for people before, and it's really what they were into, government contracting. It's really what they were into. Now let's talk about the selling of the courses. Does anyone know people who are selling courses and they make money from it? I do. People do make money from it, selling courses. And sometimes it's valuable information that other people want, and they're doing well at it. The truth is, when you're selling people courses about starting up your own business and they're giving these business ideas, the question is, who are the people who are doing those businesses that are generating decent amount of revenue? Let's say anywhere between 50 to 100K a month. There are people out there who are doing it, but I just don't, I can't seem to find them on social media because most of the time I'm like, I don't believe you. I don't believe you. But the truth is, there are people who are out there that are doing it, and they opt to go do to sell courses instead. And selling courses is not a bad idea because they're giving you valuable information, you know, and that will just work for some people. That'll work for some people. But as for me, I am stuck because I'm in love, and this is where we go wrong because I'm thinking I am sticking to this government contracting. I'm sticking to it. I never knew that I would try to do something else other than what I'm doing now. What I'm doing, I have not dismissed anything off my plate. What I'm doing, I'm adding. And I don't know how long I'll have to wait, but I'm here waiting because they tell us that it's really once you get one contract, that's all you need. That's all you need. Then the door is bust open wide for you. And what I can't seem to get over is the fact that I have worked all my life in corporate, and all of those companies were doing government contracting. All of this became news to me. All of it became news to me. I intend to continue. Listen, I have submitted about, like I did say, 22 bids. 22 bids. That's when you talk about work. That was hard work to the point where I question if I would even sell a course, selling a course, teaching people how to do this. I don't think that's a lot of work. You could set it and forget it. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Um, but there's a lot of money to be made in it. I can't blame people who get online and just try to sell these courses, especially in government contracting. We're talking about 15 and 10 to $15,000. Some people charge $6,000, but it's worth it because it's a lot of time. It takes them a lot of time to do this. I'm just going to continue because I am here waiting on about 2 or 3 contracts that I feel very confident about. And if those come through, I'll bring them back to the table and show you the millions that I will make from this. The millions that I will make from this. So, I'm going to bring to you exactly what's going on and show you. Oh, I'm here again, once again, talking to my son. You could see Shadow walking in. Yeah. To show you how much money can be made from this. It's real. New York City have a lot of contracts that you can go out there and win and bid on. One of my girlfriends saw me doing this. She's already set up her account and she is more than enticed about doing it. She is over the moon. She's telling me just today, oh, Claudia, I'm going to be off from my work. You got to come by my house and walk me through how to do this. I've already set up the account for her, which is very tedious. Took me about, no kidding, probably about 16 hours. No kidding. I have to wait until things approve. Yeah, New York City is no joke. Yeah, as well as you can go on bid.direct or bidnet.direct, something to that effect. Yes, you can go there and get bids too, but you have to do the registration and all that. I am not a part of that, but that's one of the easiest route that most people takes. I didn't even know I was going to talk about it, or else I would have brought the information with me because I'm just talking off the cuff here. But yeah, she has all intentions of doing it as more of a retirement thing for her. But I've already told her it's not what she thinks. She's going to have to put a lot of work into it. Who's going to prepare your capability statements for you? Well, of course, AI can help with all of that. And there are people who sell those services in some of their courses. So you can always get that. Always get that. But as soon I'm expecting to be awarded anywhere between February and March. I'll bring that back to the table so you're able to see exactly what's going on and the millions that it comes with. So until then, I will bring more information to you regarding that, all the details. I'll teach you how to do it without you even have to purchase any form of course from me. Okay, but I'm not ruling out not selling courses. I just don't see myself doing it as yet. It's just not necessary right now. Yeah. All right. So take care. I'll talk to you again. Bye bye.